Hello everyone, thank you for joining me this evening. I'm going to show you how to make that adorable notepad. This is a perfect gift idea or craft fair idea. You're going to need a writing tablet. I had mine professionally cut apart by a local printer, and I had them cut vertically exactly in half. Now that I have them all cut, I'm going to be taking the pages out of this book. I will throw away the cover as well as the back. I'm going to replace the cover with a laminated covers, plural, front and back, as well as a piece of cardstock in the back of the notebook just to give it a little strength and stability for writing. Today I'm going to be using my 365 The Happy Planner punch to do all of my punching. You're going to notice here that I am going to line up visually the paper with the punch so that I have those holes exactly where I want them. This isn't hard. It just takes a little bit of time to complete the entire process. I'm going to continue this until all of the pieces are punched. Now that I have all of the pages punched, I'm going to go ahead and punch the front and the back cover. These are reversible. I used two separate pattern papers to create my covers. This way the recipient will be able to flip them if she so desires. This particular gift is going to an elderly friend, and I'm certain that she's going to enjoy it. Now that the covers are punched, I'm going to be using some 3/8 of an inch yellow binding disc. These are original roll-a-bind disc. However, you can find disc just about anywhere at a really good price. I do buy mine from AliExpress online so that I can buy quite a few of them at a very reasonable price. These pieces of paper simply pressure fit into the rings, and I'm going to continue to do this, and I will also be putting the front cover on as well. What I don't show you in the video is that I do make a pin to match for this project. I'm going to tie the entire piece together with a piece of seam binding so that it looks finished. It will be simply packaged in a 3 by 10 inch plastic bag that I have purchased from clearbags.com. Here you see the finished project. I really liked the paper and how it came out. This is really, once again, a great gift idea. At a craft fair, I would sell these for $4.50 to $5 a piece because of the price of the materials involved and, of course, my time. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my videos on your social media. Give me a thumbs up. Stay happy. Be a blessing. Bye for now.